In this video, we are going through pre- and post-requests scripting in Voiden. Here's what we're going to cover. First, we will look at how pre-scripts let you modify an API request before it's sent, and then how post-scripts let you validate the response and pass data to the next request. Finally, we will also see how you can keep multiple requests in a single file and chain them together automatically. Contrary to other API tools that treat scripting as a think JavaScript sandbox, Voiden allows scripting to run in real runtimes: JavaScript, Python, and Shell. In this video, we will be using JavaScript, but everything you see works the same way in Python and Shell as well. Voiden is the only API client out there that does not force you to use JavaScript. So now, let's jump in. I've got a file open here with two requests, login and getUser. Both of them are in the same file, and that's actually one of my favorite things about Voiden. You can have multiple requests in a single file. Just type /new request, and it drops in a separator and gives you a fresh section. Really keeps things organized. Let's start with the login request. First, the prescript. The prescript runs before the request is sent. Here, we're generating a unique request ID using date, now, and attaching it as an xRequest ID header. So every time this request fires, it gets a fresh ID automatically. Now, right below that is the postscript. This runs after the response comes back. It asserts the status is 201, then grabs the ID from the response body and saves it as a variable called auth token. That token will be picked up by the next request automatically. Now let's look at the getUser request. Same idea, prescript and postscript together. The prescript reads the auth token we just saved and injects it as an authorization, bearer header before the request goes out. No manual copy-pasting needed. And the postscript validates the response, checks the status is 200, response time is under 1 second, and that the body has an ID field. All right, let's hit run all and watch the whole flow run. Both requests run in order, login first, then getUser. Now look at the response panel for the login request. You can see the 201 status, the logs show the request ID was stamped before it went out, and the assertions passed. The token has been saved. Now check the response panel for getUser. Status 200, 2 assertions passed, and 1 assertion failed. The auth header was injected automatically from the token the login request saved. The whole flow ran end-to-end without any manual steps. And that's pre- and post-scripting in Voiden. Prescripts to modify the request before it fires, postscripts to validate and pass data forward, multiple requests in one file with or new request, and full support for JavaScript, Python, and Shell. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.